Hello and welcome to the tutorial of d7leadfinder. Today I'll showcase how you can find leads simply by entering a keyword and choosing a city that you want to target. So head over to d7leadfinder and there you'll see this tab. To find any leads that you're targeting, simply add a keyword of your leads, for example roofers, and you'll have suggestions to pick from. Let's go ahead with roofing instead of roofers, and let's choose a city. For example, let's say New York, and click get leads. And that's it, the timer has ended and we can see all the leads that d7leadfinder has found for us. You'll see that you can just scroll and scroll and scroll and you have multiple pages to look through. You have 467 different roofing companies you found in New York. Now think about it, how many leads you could find if you did this across every city, across any other keyword you would need, and basically targeting the whole United States. Once you have all of these leads, of course, you cannot really do much with them if you're not exporting them. So to export them, simply click one of your preferred options and export it. So for example, you click on CSV and you'll be able to export as many leads as you'd like based on how many credits you have, what your plan is, and let me go ahead and show you the plan. So for the smallest plan, d7leadfinder will let you to conduct 10 daily searches and export about 3,500 leads. That will cost you $40 a month. Now we have other plans, of course, and you can choose whichever fits your needs. Now, of course, after you scrape leads, you need an email sending platform to reach out to those leads. That's why I highly suggest you take a peep at this video where I'll showcase a full tutorial on how to contact anyone using the best deliverability practices with a tool called Salesforge. So take a look.